Today I will show you how to solve polynomial long division problems. The first thing you're going to do is you look at the polynomial under being divided, and you're going to look at the first number. Here it's 5x squared. And you come over here where it has the x. What times x will give you 5x squared? So 5x will give you 5x squared. So you'd put 5x over where the next something x is, like this, and you multiply 5x times x, give you 5x squared, and you gotta do 1 times 5x, that would give you 5x, and you're gonna subtract, and you'll get negative 2x minus 2. And you can see what times x will give you negative 2x. So you put negative 2. Negative 2 times x will give you negative 2x. And then 1 times negative 2 will also give you negative 2. Then you're going to change the sign. And you'll get 0. So your answer would be 5x minus 2. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.